Welcome student. Previous lecture we see that how LC oscillations are produced and they are utilized in radio and TV transmitter. Now the next article, that is the electric resonance. We see that in radio or TV receivers we can tune a favorite channel or we can select the definite frequency. So how it is possible? So it based on the electric resonance, and there are two types of electric resonance, that is the series resonance and parallel resonance. So next article from this topic, that is electric resonance, and first we have to see the series resonance circuit. So in this resonance circuit, the components L, C and R are connected in series across the AC supply. Suppose this is L, this is C and this is R. They are connected in series. A circuit in which inductance L, capacitance C and resistance R connected in series, and the circuit admits maximum current to a given frequency is called as a series resonance. So at a certain frequency, the current is maximum. So current is maximum means opposition is minimum, that is Z is a minimum. Then how it is possible? So let us see. So the impedance of the circuit is given by equation Z, that is equal to under root R square plus omega L minus omega C bracket square. We see that the XL is directly proportional to F and XC is inversely proportional to F. So if we increase the frequency, XL decreases. If we increase the frequency, XL increases and XC decreases. And if we decrease the frequency, XL decreases and XC increases. So at a certain angular frequency omega R, suppose XL is equal to XC, then omega L, that is equal to 1 upon omega C. Suppose omega suffix R L is equal to 1 upon omega suffix R C, because XL is equal to XC, and we substitute the value of XL and XC. Then from this equation we have omega square is equal to 1 upon LC into omega. And if we take the square root of this, we get the expression for omega R, and that will be 1 upon under root LC. But angular frequency and the frequency of AC is related by equation omega, that is equal to 2 pi F, and therefore 1 upon root LC is equal to 2 pi FR, and therefore where FR is called as a resonance frequency. So we have 1 upon under root LC, that is equal to 2 pi F suffix R, where FR is called as a series resonance frequency, and that series resonance frequency is given by equation. So if 2 pi is sent towards the left, it is at a denominator, and we have 1 upon 2 pi under root LC, and this frequency is called as a series resonance frequency. So series resonance frequency is given by equation FR, that is equal to 1 upon 2 pi under root LC. So FR, that is equal to 1 upon 2 pi under root LC. So at this frequency, the impedance is minimum. That is current is maximum. If we increase the frequency, then again current decreases, and if we decrease the frequency, again current decreases. The variation in current with respect to frequency is shown in the neighboring figure. That is, if we plot this curve, that is the variation in current with respect to frequency, that is called as a series resonance curve. and in the series resonance curve the current is a maximum when F that is equal to Fr, that is the maximum that is the series resonance frequency. Now at that time the current flows to maximum current flows through that circuit, that is it accepts that a particular frequency, hence this circuit is called as a acceptor circuit. So at Fr, XL is equal to XC, Z that is equal to under root R square into bracket plus XL minus XC bracket square, and which is 0, then under root R square that is equal to Z, then Z is a only R, Z is only R, and this is the at series resonance. Thus at series resonance L, C, R are connected in series, then impedance is minimum which is equal to R, and we know that when impedance is minimum current is maximum, and when Z is equal to R, that is pure resistive circuit, both current and voltage are in the same phase, and this condition is called as a series resonance, and the Fr is called as a series resonance frequency. So what are the characteristics of series resonance circuit? First, resonance occurs when inductive reactance is equal to capacitive reactance. So this is the first characteristic. At a series resonance XL is equal to XC. Then second, the series resonance frequency is given by equation F suffix R is equal to 1 upon 2 pi under root LC. Then third condition, at a series resonance impedance is minimum and circuit is purely resistive, that is Z is equal to R. Then the current has a maximum value because Z has a less value. The current is maximum, and when the Z is equal to R, both E and I are in same phase, and when the number of frequency is fed to such circuit, it accepts the only Fr, that is one frequency, and rejects the all other frequencies, and accept the frequency for which the current is maximum, and therefore this circuit is called as a acceptor circuit. So these are the different characteristics, that is at resonance Z is equal to R, E and I in phase, Z is minimum, I is maximum, and Fr that is equal to 1 upon 2 pi under root LC. So this is about the series resonance. So for series resonance, LCR may be in are in series, I is maximum, Z is minimum, E and I both are in the same phase, and F, that is series resonance frequency Fr, that is equal to 1 upon 2 pi under root LC. At this frequency the current is maximum and it accepts this frequency, hence it is called as a acceptor circuit. So we stop here.